Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well, but it is too cold today. I had to put on a lot of sweaters. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to do a video. I'll be cooking with you what we'll be having for dinner today. So enjoy and subscribe, like, comment on what you think. Here are our ingredients. We have tomatoes finely chopped, we have garlic, we have 2 onions finely chopped also, depending on what you like, by the way. We have pilipili hoho, coriander, dania. I also have my spices, Royco cube, black pepper and salt, Omena. This is what we're going to have for dinner. Cooking oil and white vinegar. I'll show you what I'll be using it for. I'm going to put warm water. This is very hot, but I'm going to add a little bit of cold water. Put white vinegar. If you don't like the smell of the omena, the fishy smell, put vinegar or lemon. For me right now I don't have lemon, that's why I'm using vinegar. We're going to wash it. Mind you, I've done the kuchagua the omena. Sometimes unapata it has stones, so nimechagua. I'm going to wash it like 3 times. Sometimes they have stones, small ones, which unless you wash the omena, they can't come out. This is the second round, third round, the last round. On this cooking pot, I'm going to put mboga kienyeji. While I'm waiting for this cooking oil to be hot, so that I can fry my omena. If you want to know if your cooking oil is hot, just do like this. This one is hot. Put my omena inside. I'm going to reduce the heat of this cooker so that omena ipate mafuta huko ndani. In this process tunafanya ndio omena ikauke, isivunjike while you are cooking. At this point my tomato is ready. I'm going to add my mboga ya kienyeji. I'm adding my Royco cube and a pinch of salt to taste. But don't add salt before adding the spices, because the spices usually have its own salt. You can mistakenly and add salt, which will be too much for the food. My omena has turned brown, as you can see. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, little bit. a pinch of salt, very little. Let me fry it well. I'm going to use peanut powder. Now it's ready. I'm going to put it in this bowl so that I can be able to cook the stew of the omena. I'm going to add my onions. My cooking oil is hot. On the other cooking pot, my water is hot, boiling, almost boiling for garlic. I'm still using the same cooking spoon. Ndio vive pamoja so itapata the taste. I'm going to mix them well. At this stage, I'm going to add my bell pepper. On the other side, my ugali is almost ready. I'm going to add my tomatoes. I'm going to cover my pot so that the tomatoes can cook well and form a paste, a good paste. My tomato is forming a paste, and here it's when I'm going to add my spice. This is black pepper and salt. The aroma inside here, hey, you should come, we eat together. Welcome. I'm now going to add my omena. You can eat the omena when it is like this. Tastes like nyama choma, very sweet. If you have a child and maybe you want to put soup, you can, but see a Mkikuyu, just a little bit. But as for me today, I'm not going to put the soup. I'm going to add my coriander. This is dania. That is how we call it in Kenya. My omena is ready now. Let me show you the end product. This is my end product. Food tastes yummy. I've already tasted, so try it, then you'll give me, you comment down below on what you think, how it was. Until next time, thank you, bye bye.